Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Linux Crypto and welcome to a new video on Ethena. I probably should have made some sort of a midday update on Ethena yesterday, but yeah, not sure why I didn't do it. But wanted to do an update right now. We have some news to talk about. We have some technical moves to talk about. I mean, right now, look, Ethena, my thoughts about it are a little bit mixed. All right, and I'll tell you why. It's very easy. Yesterday, the main move that we got was based on news. All right, so if you missed the news, we need to talk about that a little bit. Is that USDE, the main product of Ethena, of course, is now will be integrated into Bybit as collateral to trade perpetuals, as with BTC and Ethereum spot pair. So you can actually use that to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum. And in their earn platform. This is pretty major news, all right? This is a major use case for USDE. I do think Bybit is taking a little bit of a risk with this because I still think that Ethena, to be quite honest with you, and I don't want to go against the community here, but I think the idea behind it is still fairly risky, all right? But all right, so it's great news, but the market circumstances, especially in the last like 16 or 18 hours, have not been great. We've seen a major sell-off, and that's also what you'll see with Ethena, is that we gained a ton of momentum after the news, and it's great news, but right now that momentum is being sold off exponentially, all right? So that's not great, and in the end, what you can see is that the news is good, and Ethena was ramping up for that breakout either way, and that's also what I posted about on X, for example. But right now we do need to, like, if we want to stay bullish, we do need to get some support. And that will still partially depend on Bitcoin. And at this moment, on the short term, like when I'm making this video, it's not looking amazing because the open interest is falling down quite rapidly. So what I expect, and that's also what you're seeing right now, is that we're dropping down into this support level right here. All right, so you kind of have a mix between the EMAs and some sort of an uptrend right here. This is right here. If I can draw it, that's the main support. All right, so I still think that Ethena is actually bullish. But what we need to see is that from that support level, we need to find support. And then from there, the main thing is that Bitcoin needs to be a little bit more bullish. If Bitcoin can get some sort of a breakout above 63,000, then Ethena will break back above 92.5 cents and rally higher than the dollar. All right, so it can still rally. And just looking at the technicals right now, I think this is the most likely scenario. Now, does that mean that I would buy Ethena right now? Does that mean that I would trade it right now? No. Wait for that momentum to kick in. All right, right now the open interest is dropping down drastically. If that starts to increase again, if that starts to ramp up, so something like this, all right, well, then we are regaining momentum. Then we can break back above 92.5 cents, which is the most important level to break again. And then I think we are bullish if Bitcoin is also relatively bullish. And right now, that's not the situation. All right, so I would wait for that. I think overall, if you look at the technicals and if you look at Bitcoin, I still do think this is the most likely scenario, but that does not mean it's guaranteed. If we never gain that momentum and if we just continue to sell off, we'll find support and we'll consolidate, but eventually we'll just drop back down towards 82 and 80 cents. So that's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Be careful with this. Coins that just had some major news are always a little bit more volatile and hard to trade. But for now, that's what you need to know. So thank you for watching. Take care. Have a great day, of course, and bye.